The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, had conducted an inspection of the new assembly building at Umsawli, Mawdiangdiang in Shillong. As part of his new assignment, Sangma informed that he will be meeting stakeholders and at the same time approach IIT Guwahati to expedite the construction of the new dome, which is part of the design of the building. Further, the Speaker informed that suggestions from design associates and the State PW Department will be taken into account to enable completion of the construction as per estimated time.
Here, left is there, sir. Also, left is there. By the time I go back to
Yes, this was my first visit, in fact, as a speaker to the site. And the work progress is quite satisfactory, I would say, except the middle portion, the main hall, the main chamber. As you all know, that incident where the dome had collapsed. So that part is still not started yet. Otherwise, the left wing and the right wing are almost complete. 80% of the work are already completed. But we can't have an assembly without the main chamber. So that main chamber, there's a new design of the dome, which has to be vetted and approved by two IIT institutions, IIT Roorkee and IIT Guwahati. So we are waiting for the approval of the design, new design. First of all, we have to, I have from this office and the implementing agency PWD, I've also instructed the PWD, requested them to expedite the approval of the new design. Without which the work cannot start. And number two, we have to reconstitute the high-powered committee also, which is headed by the Speaker of this Assembly. So we are in the process of reconstituting the new high-powered committee.